have you woken from your nap? Good nap. This is Vlogmas behind the scenes. Can you shut up? We are cleaning. Deep cleaning before Vlogmas, guys.
Yep, don't show me, please.
I'm not gonna show you.
Please don't show me. I'm cleaning toilets right now.
She's cleaning the toilet, guys. But yeah, we are deep clean. Look at this. Can you see the dust? Like, even cleaning all of the perfumes. We're deep cleaning so that we can film the intro. Yes. You guys like the decorations? Oh, don't look. Don't look at the decorations, guys. That's gonna be another video.
If this intro ends up working out, we all know why.
Ready? I'm trying to get out my son. Come on.
Time to give you a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Up. Oh, Kaido. Oh. Ho, Kaido. Good boy.
All the animals in this intro were fairly rewarded for their hard work.
Good boy. I look dumb.
No, I like it.
Because you like how I look dumb.
You look like a lumberjack.
Lumberjack.
A Christmas lumberjack.
Christmas lumberjack. Okay, Kaido. One more shot.
Up. Come on. Come on. Give that a kiss. Come on. Pásame los treats. Come. Come on. Right here. No. Up. Come on. Up. Good boy. Give daddy a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Try not to move your hands, honey. Don't direct them. Give daddy a kiss. Give daddy a kiss.
Did you get that? Did you get his palm
yeah,
right
I
there?
got it.
Up. Come here. Up, come on.
Make sure the
straps are in. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, you want me to keep rubbing your chin? Action.
Aww.
Now
what?
Got the point at the laptop.
But I'm not editing it.
Action.
Huh? It's not playing. I'm sorry.
You could have pushed play instead of saying it's not playing. Ha ha ha. Here you go.
Thank you. Look.
That's a sleepy doggy. Check this out, guys. This is the Vlogmas intro. The working of Vlogmas intro. I think we already got the music.
Yeah, we just finished putting it together.
Yeah, give him a 3-second clip.
That's it.
That's it.
That's all you get.
That's it.
That's all you get.
Stay tuned for Vlogmas 2020.
Starting December 1st.
Yes. Behind the scenes, guys.
Oh my god. They don't need to see that. They already watched that. He's so cute. Why is he so cute? This is the first time watching this back. Look at him. Look at us trying to bribe him with a tree. You guys, I am exporting the intro. It is 12 a.m. As you can see right here, we are less than 24 hours till Vlogmas Day 1. Kinda nervous, not gonna lie. George is already asleep because he does have to go to work tomorrow. I have so much to do in the next 24 hours. Well, less than 24 hours because I still have to go to sleep. It's been a long November. I can't wait for Vlogmas. I feel like it's going to be the highlight of my year. I feel like it always is, but I feel like this year is going to be even more of a highlight. So I hope you guys enjoyed that behind the scenes of the making of our intro. Stay tuned for tomorrow. You will get to see it, I promise, first thing tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed and we will talk to you guys tomorrow.